Okay, I'm going to draw a human eye. Before I do, remember, if you want to know what's coming up next, hit that subscribe button. Okay, right, the eye. Now, usually the mistake that a lot of people make is they do a kind of even curve. It's not really like that. You know, the human eye is a curve, yeah, at the top, but it comes up more sharply to begin with. It comes up like that, and then kind of curves over like that. Okay, so it's a kind of off-kilter curve, if you like that. Okay, and in the corner of the eye you have the little thing, this little shape here, right, and then at the bottom is a more regular curve like that. Okay, so that's for the shape of the eye there, and of course inside you have the pupil, which would take up this kind of, you know, if it's looking, you're looking directly out, it's the center of the eye there, and the center of the iris there. Okay, and now I'm using a 4B pencil, which means that I can get quite dark shading if I press heavily like that. Okay, and the outside part of the pupil here is fairly dark as well. Look like a target, you know, before you start to shade it. Now, of course, an eye is very shiny, so any light source will reflect from it. So you get maybe a bit of light, you know, coming in that shape there, and then the rest of the eye, you can use your pencil coming out like that, radiating out from the center. You like that would also leave little bits of light caught there, you see, give that impression, and maybe a little bit more shading at the top there, you know, get that shiny look to the eye. Okay, now a little bit of shading in here for that little bit in there. Okay, and at the top of the eye, a bit more heavy shading on it, and I'll also thicken it up by putting some lines radiating out like that for the eyelashes at the top. And at the bottom, what you'll see is the thickness of the skin. So we'll see another line appearing about here, coming around a wee bit lighter, right? And of course on that line you'll get a few eyelashes as well, like that. Now above the eye you have the fold of the eyelid coming up, perhaps a little more of a steep angle, and curving over down towards the back of the eye like that. So a bit more pressure to get the shadow and the fold there, and it comes back down like that. Okay, and you can imagine the nose coming in here. The nose is coming in the next section, the next video, and after that I'll do the mouth, and I'll show you how to join them all together, make a face. Okay, and of course the eyeball is curved, and you can imagine it covered by the skin, and the eyeball will take up this shape here, so you'll get that curve going that way. So you can imagine the light giving a bit of shadow, a bit of shading in here like that, just in the corner of the eye. See that? And also underneath the skin you'll get the eyeball coming around there, so that's why you sometimes get this kind of bit of shading under the eye here. Okay, following the curve of the eyeball, maybe in there too. And in an older person, of course, you have a couple of wrinkles there, maybe one there like that. Okay, so there is a sketch of an eye, how to draw an eye. You know, you can keep on tickling at it with your pencil. You know, good idea to look in the mirror and see how the light falls in your own eye. You know, okay, excellent. So I'll be checking the next video where I'll be showing you how to draw the nose, then after that the mouth, and put them all together in the one after that, and we'll create a face. Okay, but in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.